everybody, it's Katarina from Dollop Desserts here with another fantastic gluten-free and vegan recipe for you, and I am joined with the fabulous queen of all things sweet right here, aka the manager of Dollop Desserts. This is the lovely Cait.
Hi. So today essentially what we're doing is getting a bunch of different egg replacers that you might see online, trying to find which one is the best to make the best brownie.
Consider this your ultimate guide for egg replacers. We have scoured the internet, found the ones that seem the most legitimate, and we are going to walk you through 12 different ways to replace an egg in our Bettie's brownie baking mix. So other than flaxseed today, we're going to be using the following.
Peanut butter, corn starch, whipped aquafaba, applesauce, avocado, sweet potato, protein, vegan protein powder, tofu, yogurt, avocado. Did I say avocado?
Yours
fucking did.
And yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so all the brownies are now baked, and it's time to eat 12 brownies. Let's see.
Oh, it tastes like avocado.
Nope. Nope.
So it's super crumbly off the bat.
Oh my god, yeah, it's very, very crumbly. You know what though?
Taste is not bad.
Oh, it tastes pretty good. The vanilla from the yogurt, I think, adds to it quite a bit.
Yeah. It's just super crumbly.
Like, if you're desperate, non-dairy yogurt could be a really good option.
Yeah, I agree. Let's do banana.
Oh, great.
Not excited for banana.
No, not excited. It's still crumbly.
Yeah.
No. Oh my god, I want so.
Oh god!
Oh, no. This is not good.
It tastes like rotten banana. It doesn't even taste good at all. If you really like baby food,
Yeah.
it tastes like banana.
It's, you know, some people like that. Alright, what's next? Sweet potato. So sweet potato is an interesting one.
Yeah, I am really interested to see how it goes because apparently it's super popular as a substitute and it's very fudgy.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
You know what?
I like that a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It didn't do anything negative to the flavor.
No, the flavor is neutral. It tastes just like a brownie.
Like no sweet potato aftertaste or anything. And it's super fudgy, so if you really like
Oh my God.
moist, fudgy brownies, this one is actually really good.
Sweet potato, all the way. I would rate
Represent
that.
texture and taste are on point.
Want to do tofu?
Okay. I'm not excited. So
Okay.
it's not as sweet. It's not bad.
It's not bad. After having the sweet potato though, like honestly, like this kind of pales in comparison. I think it would ruin it for everybody. Have soft tofu in your house and you really want to make brownies. It could be a good way to get rid of that tofu that you're not eating and before it goes bad, but like otherwise, yeah, don't go out of your way to make tofu brownies.
Was not advised.
Yep. No. No. Like,
It reminds me of something. Oh,
actually,
it reminds me of chocolate checks.
chocolate chips?
Yeah, have you ever had those?
No.
So it's not the worst. It's not.
It like almost a little bit of like an Oreo, like a chocolate Oreo taste.
I almost feel like it tastes a bit gritty though.
Yeah, a little bit.
I think it's okay if you're in a pinch though.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people probably do have it hanging around.
Yeah. Let's do one we're not looking for. So this is the peanut butter.
Oh no.
So the peanut butter one, deep fried, which is not a surprise because we used oil and peanut butter, which is just like an overload of oil for this thing.
Yeah. It looks like disgusting.
Oh no.
It kind of looks like the moon, so
Yeah,
it's not
true.
far off.
Oh god, no.
Oh, I don't want that big of a piece.
No, don't. Don't do it. It's terrible.
It tastes like peanut butter sand. If you had like an old babysitter when you were growing up and she made like peanut butter cookies, gritty peanut butter sand.
No, they actually do. They taste legit like those peanut butter cookies that you'd make on the back of the Kraft like peanut butter jar. We tried it, but goodbye.
Let's do the other circle one.
Okay, applesauce. Real fudgy.
Oh, it's so fudgy on the interior.
Yeah,
Jeez.
it's really good. I'm really excited for this.
Like, I don't like the taste as much as I like our like are normal.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very fudgy.
Like too much.
Mm-hmm.
Like I think it's like to the point where like it's stuck on the back of your like roof of your mouth or
Yeah.
in your teeth, kind of fudgy.
So I don't think it's the worst, but so if you're in a pinch, then cool, use it if you want a really fudgy brownie. But these were not the best.
No, honestly, I'm not sold. Oh gosh, it's like super hard. Like I can't. Like I'm poking it now. Would it make it more fudgy?
No, the answer is no. Hard no.
Kind of gross.
It made it very gritty.
Yeah.
And a little bit like it coats your mouth a bit.
Yeah, like cornstarch. Don't use cornstarch in a pinch. Don't do it.
I would not advise.
Find something else. Anything. Nothing to write home about.
I don't like it. I don't think it's a brownie texture, if I'm being honest. I think it's like, on the edges it's very crunchy. Like, it almost reminds me, which is weird to say because it's like a baked good, but like the bottom, like if you've ever had Jell-O when you were a kid, and the bottom of that really gross layer that was like really hard.
What Jell-O were you having? I never had hard bottom Jell-O.
Well, you lucked out.
Yeah. Don't use aquafaba for brownies. Not bad. It's holding together nice. Oh, wow. Interesting.
It's very moist.
But it's less moist than the applesauce.
A point. To anyone who doesn't like that, like, omega taste, it's here. And I find that this happens all the time when I grind chia seeds, but if you don't grind them, then there's those stupid little balls, and it does bad things for the texture anyway.
No, don't do that. Just the taste. I think it's pretty good. Like, I'd say chia seeds, if you can't do flax, and you have chia at home, and you like chia, grinding it up, it made a really fudgy and moist brownie. I don't know,
I'm not surprised.
No. So good.
Yeah. It's super good, but I'm wondering if like the sweet potato is better.
This is sweet potato?
Yes.
A softer, eh?
It is softer. It's a lot softer.
Yeah, you know what, Cait? I have to agree with you.
Yeah.
I think sweet potato makes a really mean brownie.
Yeah.
I think it's almost better than plastic.
Yeah.
Like,
the race is very close. I just think that like the fudginess is so on point.
mm-hmm.
That's primarily what's happening here. That's happening here, but not to the same extent. If you are just looking to make something passable, realistically, all of these do work with the mix.
Oh,
they all work except for the peanut butter.
And don't do peanut butter.
Don't use banana. Please don't use banana.
Don't use banana.
And don't eat the avocado.
Yeah.
Unless you really like avocado. Whatever.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not gonna yuck your yum, but still, it's gross.
Yuck your yum. And that's it. That's 12 different ways to make brownies vegan using a egg replacer that you probably have somewhere around your house. If you like this video and you want to see more of everything Delta Desserts, maybe more of Cait, please hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with everything that we do here on this channel. And if you do decide to make brownies and you use one of these fabulous egg replacers, please tag us at Delta Desserts Baking so we can see your brownies and share them with everybody who follows us. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.